Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have July's journal junk box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So July's journal junk box just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So for this one, if you do not know, they have two different, well, technically three different options. You can do this full-size box. They do have a sack, like a mini sack version, or you can do both. So let's go ahead and dive into the full-size box. You can see what's going to be in the July box. I'm loving this box more and more. So I'm super excited to see what's going to be in this one. When you first open it up, that is what it looks like. So this month's theme for July is Sweet Happiness Rolls. How cute. What's in the box? It will go over all of the items inside. They always give you a journal prompt. And so this one, it says for week 1, what does happiness look like to me? Week 2, what activities make me feel happy? Week 3, name 3 happy moments from the past month. Week 4, what do I think are current barriers to my happiness? I don't recall them being, were they every single week before, or was it just one for the month? But I think that's neat that it's like a weekly journal prompt then. So again, then we'll go over the pricing and the items that are inside of the box. Again, here is the journal junk box. And it says, hey, journal babe. When you cut this right here, you don't really get a sneak peek, but that's what it looks like when you open it up. So let's go with this first thing right here in the front, which looks like a nice large cup. This is definitely good for summertime. A summer box with a cup inside. If it didn't have one, I would be surprised. It is super pretty though. It says, do your best. And it's all these different really pretty colors, nice and bright colors. And it says, do your best with a pink screw-on lid. Nope, it's a push-on lid, but it does have a seal. And it's by Time Press and Slant Collections is what it says. Is there a straw? Yes, there is. It's a blue straw. So you have this, and it's a really good size. Look how big that is. It's like taller than my whole dome. That is a really nice large size. You can definitely just put some ice water, some lemonade, some iced tea, whatever you would like. You can put some wine, margaritas. You can put whatever you would like inside of here, but it is really, really pretty. I like the colors, and it is a large glass. This one here, let me find it so we can get a price on it. Do Your Best 22-ounce double-walled tumbler by Slant Collections, valued for $14. Okay, so now, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I kind of, no, you can't even see. It's like an ice cream theme in here. For one, you have an ice cream scooper, which is the cutest ice cream scooper. I have not seen one that actually looks like it has a cone attached to it, but that is really neat. I'm not sure if there was different colors that they sent at random, but this is an ice cream scooper, and I think that's super cute. Very summery for sure. This one says cone-shaped bright ice cream scoop by Fackelman, France. This is valued for $10.69. So cute. And then I saw this and I'm like, oh my gosh, look at how cute. Look at that ice cream cone. And I'm so glad that it's a mint color on that ice cream cone. Mad Beauty ice cream multi-purpose bag. So you can use this for anything. It can be for your makeup brushes. It could be any kind of little makeup. It could be a pencil pouch, whatever you want to keep in here. But that is super cute. I love that ice cream cone. Mad Ice Cream Multi-Purpose Pouch Bag by Mad Beauty, UK, valued at $10.95. This is just the cutest little bag. Oh my gosh. You have to remove the tag so you can open it because it's in the zipper, but it's probably just a little piece of styrofoam that keeps it held its shape. But that is so cute. So it looks like a nice little like vegan or faux type of leather. Let's see, does it say? Nope, it's a multi-purpose bag. And I don't really see the type of fabric that it is, but I just can't get over how cute that is. You can even keep your little ice cream scooper in there if you wanted to. Have a pouch for it. You can do whatever you want with that thing. So now we have, it says Note Pals sticky tabs. How cute. It's like candy. It's like little candy like themed. And then they're little tiny like sticky notes. Let me show you. These are super cute. It says use me as a bookmark. Helpful taking notes, mark your calendars. So you can use them for anything. Like if you wanted to dog ear a page, you can just grab one of these, take it off and stick it on the page. But that is all of them. Oops, they're upside down. There is that. This right here says Dainty Donuts Note Pals Sticky Tabs by OOLY. This is a free gift valued for $2.95. They always do give you some type of a free gift in here, and I think that's really neat that they do that. I mean, they could be adding it into the value and being like, here you go. But no, they actually give you one item free in every box. So here's your free item, and they're just really adorable, especially with all like the little candy themed with the ice cream candy. It's so cute. Okay, so now we have, it says, Oh My Glitter. It's a retractable glitter ink gel pens. So pretty. Look at that teal. Perfect for planners and taking notes. Has a comfort grip. And this right here says Oh My Glitter pen set of 4, valued at $7.50. They're really pretty though. I love like the pastel colors, and they have like little stars kind of on them. And then they do have this nice little grip here. Let's see. Oh, you got to remove the little red rum. You have to remove this little red thing on there. Now I should be able to write. Okay, so I just kind of like halfway kind of drew like a little heart and kind of filled it in just barely, just so you can see the colors of them. So that is how they write with the colors that are so pretty. So you have this set again. This is valued at $7.50. Now we have is some washi tape. I love getting different washi tape, and this one actually comes with like a little string, and it's like a mint color, which of course I love. And it looks like they're, yes, they're little popsicles on here. So this one has different popsicles. This one just has some different colors, very bright and like summery. And then you have like this little like string spool. And I really like that it's not just the washi tape. They did add in like this little string to mix it up a little bit. I really like that. This is Ice Lolly Washi and Twine Set by Cakewalk, valued for $7.99. Okay, so now we have is a sticker pack set here. So this says Vintage Pink Sweets Sticker Pack, valued for $8.99. Definitely vintage. I don't even think younger kids even know how to operate this type of a phone. When me growing up, this is how I had to make my phone calls with this phone. Here's a little perfume bottle. There's different types of cakes. Oh, here's another one. There's some like little flowers, ice cream cones. Oh, look at this butterfly. And then like here's like a spilled, looks like maybe nail polish bottle. There's so many different ones here. Like diamond hearts. There's bows. There's all different types of stuff in here. That is really neat. You have all of these different stickers. So this whole sticker pack, again, is valued for $8.99. That's a lot of stickers. All right, so we have a few more items left in here, and we always normally get a journal and a notebook, and they always match, and I absolutely love that. And this month is so cute. Look at that. So you have like donuts, cupcakes, you have some croissants, ice cream cones. The back looks just like that. Super cute, like a candy ice cream shop. This one just has notes and dates, so you can just write whatever you would like on this one. And then this one on the inside is probably going to just be, it's just all plain for you to write whatever you would like. But that design is super cute, screaming summer. Everything matches. I love that all these pastel colors go together. There's this ice cream this ice cream. You even have a nice drinking glass to keep you nice and hydrated with a double wall to keep it nice and cold. And then you have the washi tape. You have your free item. You have all of these stickers. Holy moly, that is a lot of stuff in this box, you guys. So that is everything that came again in the July full-sized box. If you want a little bit more information about the journal junk box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that'll get you 15% off. The journal junk mini, so they have a minier version if you want to like dabble in here, but you don't want to go to the full box. The journal junk sack mini is $27.95 per month. If you go to 6 months, it brings it to $25.95, and 12 months will bring it to $23.95 a box. The journal junk full size box is $52.99 a month, $47.95 for 6 months, or $44.95 for 12 months. If you want to do both of them, you can grab the journal junk box and the sack bundle for $71.95. I do believe shipping is in addition to all of those, and you can save more money the more months you prepay for at a time. They also have their online shop. So if you don't want to jump straight to a subscription, but you want to purchase some of these really neat items that they have, you can shop directly on their shop without having a subscription. So there you go. So that is everything again for this box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.